Hello, my lovelies. Okay, this is a tiny coin. This is a 1979 Republic of Portuguese. Portuguese? Quite a nice looking coin. 1979. $2.50. That's definitely not American dollars, I wouldn't have thought. Too small to be... Anyway, who knows? This is a little tiny, maybe half a mil bigger than a sixpence, so this is going to be a hard coin for me to do. Like the sixpence is, but this is a bit thicker than a sixpence, so it might work a bit easier. But I'm going to have trouble getting it over spike, because the little coins don't like spike. So I have to do a bit of banging. Here she is, Lady in Blue, Big Bertha. All right, she's dripping again. Okie dokie. Slap on the bottom because it doesn't want to undo. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to support my channel, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video. You can hit that. You'll automatically be subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day, but some days you can't do it. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You just want to clean up that edge. You can see it's a bit rough and ready. Okay, that's good. Right, let's find a 17-degree die for it. And I think it's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring. That goes face down. Too small. Much too small. Maybe this one will start it. Right. Yeah, face down. Yeah, that will start it. I can't go too far. Otherwise it'll fall out the bottom and ruin it. Right. I go over to the bottom end of spike. That should be enough. Now can we get it in this one? Only just, yeah, that'll fit. She's a good one. Right. Now will that fit on top of spike? I don't think it will. No. So I have to do this game. I think. Before I go too crazy, I'll show a bit of love. Hot dog. Okay, bit of that. I better clean this up a bit because when it's a bit rough and ready. I don't want it to split. We got no split rings today, thank you. Suits you, sir. Suits you. Anybody here? You remember the Fast Show? Great program. Any of my American friends out there? check out the Fast Show. You'll love it. Different comedy to what you're used to, but it's so good. There you go. Will that go over Spike now? There you go. It just about gets over the top there. And I need to try and get it started. Yeah, there you go. I think I'll show a bit more love because this is going to be a small ring for a small finger. Right. A bit of kitchen roll. Will it make it or will it break it? Hey, bit of poetry there. I'm very talented, aren't I? Besides being Mr. Wonderful, I'm a bit of a poet as well. Right. I don't think I want to go much more than that. The bow's out of it. I just need to straighten up the walls. So these are reduction dies, so we need to find one. Like that one is pretty damn good. You don't want it sticking out too far. You just find, oh, a touch more, so it's a bit cone shaped still. There's a bit more left there. You got any questions, or I do custom work if you look for something made special? A touch more, I think. Well, I just do rings. You can check out my shop. It's in the description below. It's yourfingermyring.com. Still looks a bit... It's that bloody lens on this camera, on this phone. It's good. It just looks wobbly. Wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. Right. Have we got anything on the inside? Yes, we do. I'm going to cut that out. There you go. I do measure my rings with US sizes, but you can get a conversion chart on Google. Right, there she is, the one and only, gorgeous as ever. Some cake bushes seem to last a bit longer than other cake bushes. I don't know why. I think I'll have to take this cake out because it won't fit in the hole, and we'll stick in a used cake bush, and then we can do the inside. Ouch. Get a bit warm. Right, let's take out Kate, stick in Felton John. Are we going to polish it? Yeah, I think so. It's a bit dull, isn't it? Look at that sort of orange peel effect on the metal. So let's give it a bit of love with some polish. Just a little bit of polish. Right. warming up a bit. Like, ouch, like it's really warm. That'll do. Oh, bloody hell, that's hot. That's hotter than a hot thing. Right. I did in fact ditch my other cloth. That went bin. So I now use this one. And there you have it. One beautiful, gorgeous looking, tiny, tiny ring. That ain't bad, is it? Yeah, that's why I use the kitchen roll. You got the detail on the inside. What size we got? I could make this maybe a little bit bigger, but not too big. That's a size 5 3/4. I could make this probably to a size 7, but not much bigger than that. I wouldn't want to go much bigger than that. 6 1/2, 7, and it fits that ring absolutely perfect. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for your support. I really do appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.